To open a SIM slot on Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, first of all, we'll need to find the SIM tray, which is located on the bottom side of our device. We can then take the SIM ejection tool, which looks like that. It comes along with this phone, so you can find it inside the box. Now take this longer pointing out thing and stick it into the gap right here. Now you will need to push on the needle until the slot is fully removed. You can then grab it with your fingernails and try to carefully remove it. Also, I would recommend not to push on it on the edges on the left or right, as it can easily break off. Now when you have it, as you can see, we just removed our SIM tray. You can then insert a SIM card and plug it back into your phone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.